crafty video, and today's video is going to be a project chair. I did a swap with Brittanee of BBz Kraftz. I will link her channel below. And our swap was a 6x6 mini album. There was a YouTube video that the host, Tiffany, had posted that we all had to follow so that we all had the same basic mini album base, but then you could like zhuzh up your planner, or not planner, album any way you wanted to. You could decorate it any way you wanted to, but everybody kind of had to do this like 6x6 kind of like pocket page layout. I am a loser and I totally forgot to record my swap before sending it out. As usual, I was kind of last minute on it. I had gotten it all packed up on Friday night to make sure that I had a box and stuff that it fit in so that I could mail it out on Saturday, and then planned on getting up early on Saturday and actually filming the video before mailing out my package. But then I woke up late and I got into like crafting and doing other things, and then all of a sudden I was like, oh crap, I need to mail this out, and totally did not record my video. So hopefully Brittanee records a video and you guys can see the album that I made her. But unfortunately, I do not have a picture, video, oops. But unfortunately, I do not have a picture, a video, or anything of the album that I made her. So let's get into what she made me. I haven't actually looked at this yet. I just opened it so that way it was easier to deal with on camera. All right. Oh, I like this green. Paper. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I guess let's look at the goodies that she sent first. Oh, I like his little card. Look at the way it folds out. Oh my god, and it can just, oh, that is so cute. Look, oh. And then it just says, thank you, Liz, for swapping with me. I hope that you enjoy the album and goodies. Thank you, Brittanee. Super cute card. And then we've just got some flair. Ooh. Embellishments. Ooh, those are cute. Some more embellishments and some stickers. Thank you very much. All right, and then the mini album. This is so cute. Oops, nope, I feel like they got messed. There we go. I'm gonna have to fix that. Looks like one of my little leaves got messed up. Oh, the lemon on the side. Oh, this is so cute. I love this green paper with the gold trim. Is it like that? 6x6? Oh no, you've layered it. Okay. Cute. Nice filigree corners. It says, when life gives you. So cute. Of course she did. I knew she was going to zhuzh up her pages, and I did not zhuzh up my pages. I went back and forth on what I should do, and I knew I should have done it. I knew I should have zhuzhed them up more. That's okay. This is super cute. Little ephemera. I love this. Is this just a piece of paper that you fussy cut? I love this pocket idea. That is, oh my god, that is so cute. So extra, so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I like that idea. I don't think I've seen that one before. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay. Okay. I see you. Oh, okay. So the base, before I keep flipping through. So like I said, it was a 6x6 with, what is this, like 1.5 or 2 inch wide binding. And then we had to have 4 pages on a hinge binding. And then each page was like this little pocket page. So that was the absolute bare minimum that you had to do. You know, cover, 4 pages, bam. And then however you chose to decorate, however you chose to do each individual page beyond that was your choice. I like this. This is very cute. This paper, I just love this paper. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, you are so creative, Brittany. I love it. I feel like I'm just so basic in everything that I do. I really have got to take my crafting up a notch. The carousel paper, or at least very resembling of carousel paper. Not carousel confetti. Capture every moment, so cute. I like these little pop-ups. Oh my god, I'm gonna have so much fun filling this with pictures. This is so cute, Brittany. Thank you so much. You are an amazing crafter. You, oops, are constantly giving me so much inspiration. Oh, I see this was supposed to go in the middle like that. Oh, but I think it's supposed to come off also. Be the sunshine. Oh, oh my. Oh, that is so cute. Yeah, okay. I think that is supposed to come off. Because then you gotta close it. Oh. And then some more ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, Brittany. Oops. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. And I am going to have so much fun filling it up with pictures and things. I actually just have a bunch of pictures that I got in through my Shutterstock subscription that I need to now fill my book up with. So again, yes, thank you so very much. If you haven't already, go check out Brittany's channel. As mentioned before, I will leave a link down below. I will also leave a link to the Facebook group that we are a part of, where we participated in this swap, so that if you would like to, you can join in on some swaps yourself. And until next time, have a great rest of your day, everyone.